Hey creators! Today I'm going to show you how to make aesthetic thumbnails that grab attention and get more clicks fast. Whether you're a beginner or already designing, these simple steps will help you craft thumbnails that truly stand out. First, head over to Canva, one of the most user-friendly design tools out there. Once logged in, type aesthetic thumbnails into the search bar. You'll instantly see a wide range of stylish professional templates. Take a moment to explore. Whether you like something minimal, vibrant, or intricate, there's a template that matches your style. Found one you like? Click. Customize this template. This opens the Canva editor where the real fun begins. Here, you can tweak every element. Switch colors, move text, or add new shapes and icons. Start by editing the text. Double-click the placeholder text to add your own title or caption. Make sure your font size, color, and placement are clear and readable on all devices. Remember, the text needs to pop, but also complement your visuals. Next, enhance your thumbnail with images or icons. Canva's library has thousands of options, or you can upload your own for a personal touch. Use the grid lines to keep everything aligned, balanced, and professional. Small adjustments can make a huge difference in overall visual appeal. Once your design feels polished, download it in the correct format and upload it to your video. A well-crafted thumbnail isn't just pretty, it's a powerful tool that drives more viewers to your content. And that's it. By spending just a few minutes on thoughtful design, you can create thumbnails that captivate and convert. Keep experimenting, refining, and soon making eye-catching thumbnails will become second nature. Happy designing, and I'll see you in the next video.